Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and make sure you logged in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't, make sure to go and create a new account. Of course, you can use Google, Apple, Microsoft. I guess it's another option if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account if you have one of those accounts. So now, once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. All you need to do, as an example, just access a board. And let's say you want, as we said before, to sync the Trello, this board example, with Google Calendar. So what you'll need to do is simply go and click on Power Ups here at the top, as you can see. And if you don't find it here, or if you don't have it here, you can click on the three dots to open this menu, scroll down until you find Power Ups, and click on it again. So once you are here, go to the search and simply type Google, so Google Calendar. And here, as you can see, you have multiple options to sync with it. For example, see all results, and you can choose the one that suits your needs. Normally, you can choose the one that has the most like downloads, so you know like people are using it. So you can even click on it to see exactly what's each power up offers, and the one that suits your needs, you can simply just use it. So, an example, this is Google Calendar plus Trello, two-way sync. As an example, this one, as an example, easy sync with Trello. So it's totally up to you to choose the one that suits you, and if you didn't like it, you can always, like example, go to the enabled power-ups, click on settings and disable it, which will remove it. And you can also go back and simply add a new one. Or go and add a new one if you didn't like the one before. So as example, let's say we want this one. I'll click on add again, and it should be basically added. So if I go here, yeah, to enable, yeah, as you can see, to enables is already now added. And if I go here, as example, power-ups, I will find, yeah, right here, the calendar. I can click on settings and I will be able to view the power up as an example. And it's already now synced with Google. Now Trello is synced with Google and I should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.